Welcome to our channel. Implementing risk management strategies reduces insurance claims and premiums for your business. Follow these step-by-step instructions to improve your risk profile. Step 1. Conduct a comprehensive risk assessment identifying potential hazards in your business operations, from workplace safety issues to cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Step 2. Implement employee safety training programs addressing common workplace hazards specific to your industry. Proper training significantly reduces accidents and workers' compensation claims. Step 3. Establish written safety policies and procedures for all aspects of your business. Document these policies and ensure all employees receive training and acknowledge understanding. Step 4. Install security systems including surveillance cameras, alarm systems, and access controls to prevent theft, vandalism, and unauthorized entry. Step 5. Maintain detailed incident reports for any accidents, near misses, or safety concerns. Analyzing these reports helps identify patterns and prevent future incidents. Step 6. Perform regular equipment maintenance and inspections according to manufacturer guidelines. Well-maintained equipment is less likely to fail and cause accidents or property damage. Step 7. Implement cybersecurity measures including firewalls, encryption, employee training, and data backup systems to prevent costly data breaches and cyber attacks. Step 8. Review your safety and risk management program with your insurance agent annually. Many insurers offer premium discounts or credits for businesses with strong risk management practices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.